This is a 2007 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, dusk-sensing headlights, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and aluminum wheels. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Wildcat Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4080 Lexington Road in Nicholasville.